Hola mis amores, today I'm going to be doing a quick review of Qveen Studios, and this is one of their eyeshadow palettes that I actually choose 4 of the shades in the website and then I put them inside of the palette myself. So I was really happy to see that first of all the shadows are actually really good. As you can see, I was like wow by the quality of it, because I was like a little bit scared, to be honest, when I saw that I had to like kind of build my own palette. But then, I was like, let me just trust this and continue. I added a little bit of the white, which I thought it was going to be a good transition tone for my under the brow area, and then like kind of to blend it out and make it all more seamless, which actually ended up being really, really good. And I continue to use that for that same thing throughout the whole video. As you can see, I just kept blending, 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 blending more. And then I added the green and I realized, wow, this green, I thought that I was going to do it just as a half green, half brown. But then I was like, I think I can expand this. And I started just bringing it down, covering all the brown. And I feel like it gave me like a cute, but also well blended contrast between the green and the brown. But it also just like made the green pop a lot more. So I was really, really happy about the green perform. It's called Green Money and it really made me feel the Green Money vibes. Then I took this last shade, which is like a golden champagne color, and I think that the shade was actually really pretty and it really complemented the look. Then right after that, I took my Dragon Duo liners that I got on my boxycharm in January of this year, and I was really, really happy with this quality of these liners because the carbon liner, I really, really love how easy it was and easy was to like just draw the line. It wasn't really poking my eye, so I really loved that. And then I took the other liner to just go on top of that and kind of elongate it. And I really like the precision of that second liner and how easy it was as well to just swipe it on top of my waterline and I could do a little liner. Then I have the Hot Boy Sweat lashes, which to be honest I was kind of shocked about the name, but then when I opened it I saw it and they look really pretty, so I was like, okay, let me try this. And I also put one of the liquid lipsticks in the shade White Feet, and I thought that it would be a great complement to the look. It was a brown terracotta moment, and I feel like that really looked good with greens, In overall, I really, really love every product that I try from this brand. I was kind of confused about the website, to be honest with you. It looked a little bit sketchy when I tried, like when I was on the website, but I trusted, and then I got the product, so I was really, really happy about the results. As you can see, I was really living my fantasy with all of these, and I really hope that y'all like it, honestly. If you want more videos like this on my channel, please let me know in the comments down below, because I really want to continue doing this kind of vertical and quick tutorial videos and voiceovers as well, so just let me know. I will really appreciate if you can comment and let me what do you think about this video and the quality and all of that, because I do work hard on it. So thank you, and I'll see you in the next one, mis amores. Bye!